I like them teeny and toasty. So long.
Bye.
Bye.
Maybe we'll see each other around.
Yeah, I'll see you around.
Oh, Garth? Forgot these.
I've been wanting to make this video about laundry for a year, and for a long time I didn't know why, but I think now I do. The reason I will tell you at the end of the video. It's gonna be great. In many parts of Asia, including China, laundry is usually done like this. 1. Put clothes in the washing machine, which is in the bathroom. 2. Hang clothes up on a drying rack, often on the balcony. 3. Wait until laundry is dry, and that's it. Now that's fine, but to me it's always seemed like a very inconvenient way of doing laundry. I lived in China for 4 years, and usually when you live in another country, you learn the local culture, you adapt yourself, but I never got used to doing laundry in China. Never. I'm used to doing laundry the American way. My friend Sean, who's from China but lives in New York, agreed to let me follow him around on his laundry day. Sean had been used to doing laundry the Chinese way, but when he moved to the US, his world was turned upside down. I mean, not that much, I guess, but it was different because he had to go to a laundromat and use a dryer.
I do enjoy the convenience of American laundry. Like, you can have the clothes right away. It's terrific. If you want to wash something like your bedding supplies in China, it's gonna take like days to dry. It's really scary when you think about it, but I just try to not think about it. You know, like nothing actually bad happened to me like in this 4-year period, so I'll assume everything is just okay. I think you better should put your dryer on high temperature, so the heat is really overwhelming. So every time I stick my hands in the dryer, it actually burns me. So I feel like that will kill all the germs.
Dryers, in my opinion, are great. In America, some people's houses are big enough to have a washer and a dryer, which obviously means they're only doing their own laundry in their machines. Other people, not so much. If you live in an apartment, you might get lucky enough to have laundry machines in your building, so you only need to go downstairs, but you're still sharing those machines with everyone else in the building. If not, you need to go to a laundromat. It's common to see maybe 2 or 3 laundromats in a single neighborhood. Sean goes to a laundromat. Here are the steps for doing laundry in New York at a laundromat. 1. Put your clothes in a bag and walk to the laundromat. 2. When you get to the laundromat, get quarters at the change machine. You can only use quarters. 3. Put your clothes in the washer, add detergent, put in the quarters, and push start. 4. Wait for your laundry to wash. Maybe about 30 minutes. You can play with your phone, watch other people do laundry, daydream, and then put your damp clothes in the dryer. 5. While your clothes are drying, go for a walk around the neighborhood with a friend, have a deep conversation, and then come back after about an hour and take your clothes out of the dryer. They'll be warm and fluffy and comfortable. Total cost between $4 and $8. I think the interesting crux of this topic is that a lot of people view public dryers and laundromats in general as disgusting because so many people use them. And the convenience is not really worth it. So they're happy to wait longer, generally, for their clothes to dry. So I think many Chinese people are very patient when it comes to doing laundry. Whereas Americans generally would never even think of that sharing machines in a laundromat is gross. I think many Americans, including myself, choose the fastest way to do something, no matter the cost, or the risk or whatever. We just put it out of our minds because this is the most convenient thing for me. So it's interesting to me that the way we do a particular daily activity like laundry depends on our culture and ultimately what we prioritize. By the way, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure to push the subscribe button and let me know what other videos you'd like to see. Give me suggestions for things you want to see me talk about, and I'll look for those in the comments. See you next time.